This is Nima Shakir, and welcome to my Excel training for financial controllers. In this session, we will learn a new function. It's the count function and the conditional count. This function is useful for later examples and advanced uses. Okay, so this function, let's start by adding the equal sign that we are doing a mathematical operation or calculation, and the count function is count. This one, as you see, once I start typing the first few letters of the function, Excel automatically populate a list of possible functions with similar spelling. So this is the one that I'm looking for. I just double click on it, and then below that, as you see, Excel gives some hints of about the structure of this formula. So always look at this hints below, which will help you to correctly formulate your equation or formula. So the count function is, as you see here, between the brackets you determine the values or the range. So in my case, I want to count the values in this column here. So from C2 to C16, and then I just close the brackets and press enter. As you see, the total values in this range is 14. And let's copy this formula to the other cells here and see what is the outcome. So as you see, we can copy this by putting the mouse, the cursor, at the corner of this cell until we see this dark plus sign, and then we hold the button and drag it to the other cells. And as you see here, it's 0 because this is not numeric values, and in here it's giving me 15. So as you see, I have here 15 values within the range. Here I have 14 because this is blank, and here because this is a non-numeric values. So this is one way to use to count values. The other one is to count values conditionally, and to put condition, like you want to count the values if certain condition is met. So let's say if I want to count the values if the car type is, as in our example, is Honda. So let's count here, and let's go countif. This is the one, and here Excel is telling me where's the range that you want to count from. So the range I want to count here. Okay, and the criteria that I have is I put it in this cell B19. Okay, and just close the brackets. And now it's telling me Honda, you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. Okay. So this is the structure as you see here. Countif here, the count with no conditions. You just set the range. Countif, first you set the range and then you put the criteria. The third form of the count is the countifs, where we have multiple conditions. So let's say I want a Honda car, but I want it to be $7,050. So this is the second condition that I am putting here. So the first condition is Honda, the second condition is the price is this. So let's see if Excel can count it for me. So the formula is count X, the last one here. Now the structure of this formula is different from the one before, and we can just follow what Excel is advising us. So Excel is telling me what is the criteria range 1. So the criteria range 1, Honda. The range of the data is from B2 to B16. So this is the first one. What is the criteria for this range? I put it here, B19, comma. Now Excel is telling me the criteria range number 2. Criteria range number 2, I'm looking for the price, and the price is located here, from C2 to C16. Finish, comma. And what is the criteria? The criteria, I put it here, B20. I'm done. I can add more conditions. Press enter. And Excel is telling me that you have 2 Honda with 7,050. I have one here, 7,050, and I have another one here, 7,050. If I change this one, make it 51, Excel now is telling me you have only one amount, one Honda with 7,000.